Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's icon block in WordPress. Alright, so this is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's make ourselves a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. So there's a couple ways to do that. If you're logged in on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Simply hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in and ended up on the dashboard, hover over onto your left-hand sidebar, hover over Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page. Alright, once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that, and this is where all of our settings to toggle and configure will appear for the block. Next, let's give our page a title, just to keep things organized. And last but not least, there's a blue button over here with a plus icon called Block Inserter. Click on that, and we can scroll down to find it, or we can search for it. But since Stackable is on top of list, let's simply scroll down to Icon, and drag and drop that into our workspace. Okay, we accidentally made a duplicate one over here, so let's just delete that. Alright, let's go ahead and close the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. Let's click on this, and let's go ahead and start with layout. So with layout, we have our content alignment. We can center it up, and let's keep it on the center there. We have our block size and spacing. Let's keep this all on default. We also have our paddings and margin if you need to use those. Next, let's take a look at style. Now the icon, we can simply, we can upload an SVG of our own icon, or we can just search for something in the Stackable library. I'll go with this fighter jet, just so it looks interesting. And we can change the icon color. Let's make it orange. And we can also change how it looks like when we hover over it. So I'll set it to gray, and then the hover color will be orange. Okay. All right. And we can change our icon size over here, depending on whether or not we're on desktop, tablet, or mobile. We can also change our icon opacity. Right? And we can also change it if it's hovered. We can also change our icon rotation, right? So if it's hovered, we want it to be up like that. All right, that's pretty cool. It's like having an animation. We can also add an icon shape. Let's make it red, okay. By default, it's square. We can make it a circle. We can also add some padding to it. Ooh. We can also add an outline width to it. Outline color, let's make it yellow. And on top of that, we can also add a background. Well, since this is stackable, we can use an MP4 or an image. But let's just go with a simple background color, light blue, just because it's an airplane. Why not? We also change how it looks like when we hover over it, but I won't do that for this one. Also change the border radius, add a border line, and then add some shadow to it. And that's about the settings that you can have for an icon in terms of appearances. Under Advanced, we can add a link to this. Let's just go ahead and use our Contact Us page, open it in a new tab. You can also put a link title and link rel to it. Icon label, general settings, hard position settings, custom attributes, which are HTML, responsive settings to hide it on desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and our advanced settings, which is HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. So once we're happy with this, let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our settings. All right, once it's done saving, let's click on View Page to look at our new stackable icon block in our new page. Okay, it works, and let's click on this. And it takes us to our Contact Us page. So there's how you use Stackable's icon block If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.